Hi everyone, it's Emma from BritCent here. Today I'd like to help you develop your speaking skills. This is important because obviously students are really nervous when they're speaking English and they try to use as few words or as few sentences as possible. This is what we call monosyllabic sentences. So I'm going to be teaching you a couple of structures to develop your speaking. So let's have a look at our first structure. It's really simple and it contains 4 parts: fact, reason, result, and outcome. If we take a really simple question, for example, what's your favorite color? Most students would answer, I like yellow, I like black, I like blue. These answers are fine, however, they don't give much detail or information. And more importantly, they don't demonstrate your English skills. So let's have a look at our structure in action. Let's go back to our question, what's your favorite color? By using the structure mentioned, I would say this. Well, I really love the color yellow. I think it's such a happy, optimistic color. Therefore, I have so many yellow accessories and furniture in my home. As a result of this, I believe it gives me a lot of energy. So by using this structure, following this example, we give the listener a lot more detail, which makes the sentence and the conversation a lot more interesting, and at the same time, showing how well you can speak English. So now let's look at our second structure. It's really simple and contains 3 parts: the past, the present, and the future. Take a very simple question again. For example, what's your favorite sport, or what sport do you like? Many students would answer, for example, oh, I love football, or I like tennis. Again, these are really simplistic answers and they're not giving much information and they're not showing how well you can speak English. So let's look at that question and follow the structure. Just to recap, past, present, and future. So using the simple question again, what sports do you like? Following that structure, my answer would go something like this. Well, when I was younger, I used to play a lot of tennis. However, these days, I'm not so active because of my job. Although hopefully, in the near future, I'd like to restart again and perhaps take up yoga. So as you can see, by following this really simple structure of past, present, and future, my answers are a lot more detailed and interesting, hopefully. So let's recap. Our first structure was the 4-part structure: fact, reason, result, and outcome. Our second was the 3-part structure: past, present, and future. So that's all from me today. I hope you found that lesson useful and enjoyable. If so, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our BritCent channel and leave any comments or further suggestions. So if you'd like to improve your English skills, please sign up to BritCent for quality one-to-one English lessons. I really hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye. Hi everyone. Sorry, I used it. Simple. I looked down. Sorry. I've informed more. Sorry.